All belongings must be kept in the overhead compartment solely. Put your seat into the upright and ensure your seatbelt.
Hey, what's up? It's me and we are here finally in Bangkok, Thailand. Galing tayo sa Hanoi. I took a plane with AirAsia from Noi Bai Airport going to dito sa Mueang Airport sa Bangkok. For the process, I went into the flight na wala akong idea kung ano yung magiging process kasi first time kong parang mag-transfer via plane from a foreign country papunta sa isa pang foreign country. But the process is just the same kung paano yung domestic process natin sa Philippines. So, bali skip lang yung travel tax kasi hindi sila nag-charge nun. After nun, check-in baggage and then immigration sa Hanoi and then punta ka na ng boarding gate. And after arrival naman, immigration ulit sa Bangkok and then pick up ng check-in baggage tapos punta ka na sa waiting area ng arrival gates. Right now, kaka-withdraw ko lang and dito na rin ako bumili ng SIM cards pala. As in pagka-land namin kanina, tsaka na lang ako nag-book sa Klook. It's cheaper sa Klook kasi 380 lang sa Klook. Tapos pagdating mo dito, 449 baht sa DTAC. Tapos parang ganun same price din halos sa True.
Princess Cruise. We will warmly take care of you with our best service.
This is my Grab driver. Hi. Yes, for Angelo.
to here?
I booked Grab.
I
Grab
see.
bike, yeah.
Oh, the bike is okay. It's
Yeah.
quite fast.
Yeah.
It's morning, right? Traffic jam everywhere.
Exactly. I was trying to go through MRT, but I didn't have that much time left.
You guys come a bit closer. This market very local one. Everyone Thai people love come because very cheap and fresh ingredient. Have you seen this one before? How fresh this is? Head, body, stick bone together, tail clear color and fur. This is very fresh. Yeah. In Thailand, we're lucky. We have many farms. A lot of farms. Export a lot of shrimp too. So get fresh every day. Oh, everyone careful. Coconut. Yeah, you can see a bit closer. Like a special lime in Southeast Asia in Thailand. Manao. Manao, how you know? It's Thai. You see this one? Thai chili or tinda chili. If you eat green curry or red curry, look like this inside, right? We're gonna do like this, 3 in 3. Bring your phone too, right? So I have a seat everyone. Yeah, okay. Make pad thai, make sure you have this. No fresh, use the bottles. Bottle, keep in the fridge 1 year. Good smell, huh? Oh, so good. The next one is, if you remember, we have this type of ginger, right? Yes. English name, galangal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Careful now. The spicy chili coming up now. If you want more, you know that. Yes. Something up. Okay.
Pandan.
Yes. Same country.
Yeah.
Pandan leaf. Thai people use this one for make dessert. Because after you cook it, right, smell shake. On top is a creamy layer, right? If you like sticky like creamy, you scoop on top. You healthy person, close your eye. Yeah, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's
Sugar
people, yeah, sugar boy. 8 people, 8 spoon, sugar boy, and half for me, sugar boy. Okay. And warm. This one use small fire, now warm, right? And Thai style we balance, not very sweet. We have salty from this one, right? Salt. So give a bit more salty, good taste, right? Sweet and little salty. That's good. Make sure everyone look like this. Ready? Yeah, ready. Okay. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh. and when you mixing, become purple now. Let's shake, right? Hot oil on. Oh, some bubble comes so quickly. Ready? Let's get to know them, everyone. First one we have English name cumin. Cumin, yes. In the Chinese name Zurang, right? Zurang. Yeah, that's a different style. Really? Okay, sure.
Can I add after?
Yeah, you can add after too. That's it. And this is we call Cookery, right? Some mango sticky right before. Pouring salt on the right. After that, take the
Just got done with the cooking class with Chef Nam. The class was around 1,900 pesos. I booked it from Khwang. I would say na it's worth it. The experience was nice. Well, actually may bias talaga ako when it comes to mga local workshops. It's one of the things that I want to collect. Okay naman yung group. We were interacting naman. It's a better experience talaga once maganda rin yung mga kasama mo sa group. Our instructor was Chef Nam. He was great to, sobrang lively niya magturo. And may mga insights din siya or mga history, like mga tidbits ng history lessons here and there. Karamihan ng mga tinuro niya sa amin are traditional recipes ng mga dishes na ginawa namin. So that's a plus for me as well. Sobrang hingal at init na ako. So could use a little aircon right now. I just learned na hindi pala accepted yung rabbit card sa buong network nila ng trains. Iba-iba rin yung cards per train. On the plus side though, pwede ka namang gumamit ng ATM dito as long as ano siya, yung pwedeng itap. So let's do that instead.
ท่านสามารถเปลี่ยนเส้นทางไปสายสีเขียวได้ที่สถานีนี้ Next station สีลม
Hi, where's the way to the green line? Thank you. what's up? So, I'm currently doing my laundry. Medyo katabi lang siya ng laundry shop na nadaanan ko kanina. Yung 900 baht yung singil sa akin. Which is, what the f***, diba? But, good thing I found this kasi yung wash nila is just 50 baht and then dry is just 60 baht as well. Ayun, mabait din yung owner. Sabi niya, itong building na to is a hostel that she will be opening next week. One of my favorite activities when I stay in other countries is doing the laundry talaga. I don't know, medyo therapeutic siya for me and parang feel ko talaga na nakatira ako dun sa country na pinagsistayan ko. You know, when you travel for like a short period, like just for a few days, usually yung dala mong clothes is kasha na for the whole duration of the trip. So, it's kind of like a rare feeling as well doing your laundry in other places. I know it's super mundane, such a boring thing to do, but makes me feel that I'm one with the community that I'm staying with. Traveling alone makes me kind of look for that connection with other people as well. So I really appreciate every little conversation that I get with the locals. Ayun lang, it was a tiring day for sure, and I think I'm going to end this video here, and I will see you guys in the next one.